Okay, we're back at the Lee Drive bathroom remodel. As you can see, all the roughing work is done, the plumber's done. Right here we have the setup that's going to be for our freestanding tub. Small wires that you see, they're actually the floor temperature settings. The thin wire there, right here by my foot, that is actually a thermostat. That will register what the floor temperature is, and that's how the thermostat gets set. Schluter's pretty great company because they thought of everything. They give us 2 lead wires. Right over here is the second thermostat. That's in case one fails, you have a backup in place. That's underneath the tile. Nothing has to get ripped out later down the road. We'll check in again once we get a little further along with our tiling. But